Hello, dear one. My name is Naniya from Love and Freedom Life Strategies. I'm a health and life coach. This morning, the first thing that I heard when I woke up was a bird outside my window singing beautifully, singing like it owned the world, singing like it didn't have a care in the world, singing with abandon, like there was something amazing to be celebrating. It was a wonderful sound to wake up to. And immediately I thought of the verse in Matthew 6, in the middle of the Sermon on the Mount, where Jesus is sharing so much wisdom with us. And he says, consider the birds. Consider the birds. Think about them. Spend some time meditating on the way a bird functions in this world. And that's how I want you to function too, and I'll tell you why. God cares for you even more than these precious little creatures. God feeds the birds. God takes care of them. They don't labor, they don't spin, they don't toil, they don't plant or harvest. God feeds them. Consider the flowers of the field. This time of year, it's spring right now. So many beautiful flowers and trees in bloom. Consider the flowers of the field, here today and gone tomorrow. These are things that we consider precious, the beauty of flowers, the beauty of small creatures, of animals. We know that they're precious. We take good care of them. And God's saying, you are even more precious to me than they are. I take care of them. I feed the birds. I clothe the flowers of the field. Even Solomon in all his splendor was not clothed as beautifully, as grandly, as creatively as these flowers. If I take care of them, how much more will I be taking care of you? Oh, you of little faith. Why do you doubt me? Why do you worry? Can your worries, your anxieties add a single moment to your life? If they can't even do that, why? Why spend your time and energy, your precious energy, on these worries and anxieties? Seek first, above all else, the kingdom of God, what God is doing in this world, and God's ways of love, of right living, which is equal sign love. And all these things will be given to you as well. All these things that you need. God says, I already know what you need. I already know. I'm watching. I'm noticing. I'm an attentive, good shepherd. Do not worry about what you will eat, what you will drink, or what you will wear. Consider the birds. Today, as you hear the birds singing, today, as you see the flowers, the trees in bloom, consider God's great love for them and how he cares for them and provides, and his great, great love for you, made in God's image, cherished. God is especially fond of you, and he's going to take care of you. I don't know where you're at today, but I needed this reminder. Thank you for being with me. Let's continue to learn and grow and practice together. Peace to you.